Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about minimum rounds to complete all the tasks. This is a medium level problem on a LeetCode. The question number is 2244. So let's quickly see what does this problem say. You are given a zero index integer array tasks where tasks of I represent the difficulty level of a task. That means we will have an array where the value of an array represents the difficulty level of a task. Now in each round you can complete either 2 or 3 tasks of same difficulty level. Means we are allowed to take only 2 or 3 difficulty level tasks at a time. We can't take one or more than 3 tasks at the same time. Alright. And return the minimum rounds required to complete all the tasks or -1 if it is not possible to complete all the tasks. Now we have to see first of all whether it is possible to complete all the tasks, or if it is not, then we have to return -1. So this is the problem. Let's understand this problem with these two example. So here guys you can see that we have given some tasks and the value are 2, 3, 4. We can see, right? So the difficulty level here we are having 2, 3 and 4. Now let's quickly see how we get answer 4. So guys, we have a difficulty level 2 in this problem, 3 as well and 4 as well. And how many tasks are there of difficulty level 2? There are 3 tasks of difficulty level 2. You can see that 1, 2 and 3. And there are 2 tasks of difficulty level 3. You can see this is 1, this is 1. And there are 5 tasks of this 4 difficulty level. Now guys, you can see that we have condition that either 2 or 3 we can take at a time. We can't take more than 3 and less than 2. So here we have a 3 tasks, so we can take a single time because we have allowed to take 2 or 3. So it will take in one round only. So in one round we have completed 3 tasks of difficulty level 2. Now in the second round we have 2 tasks of 3 difficulty level. So we can also take in one time because we are allowed to take 2 or 3. In the next round we have 5 tasks of difficulty level. But we can't take 5 tasks. We can take only 2 or 3. So what we will do? We will take first time 3 tasks. So in the next round we took 3 tasks and left with 2. So in the next iteration we took 2 tasks. So we took 4 rounds to complete all the tasks. I hope you understood it. So this is how we are completing the tasks by using this condition 2 or 3. Now guys, let's see in this example why we got -1. So in this we got a -1. The reason is we have one task of difficulty level 2 and 2 tasks of difficulty level 3. Alright. But see guys, we can complete 2 tasks because that in our constraint. So we can complete 2 tasks. So this will done in one round. But here we can't complete one task. We need at least 2 tasks to complete this difficulty level. So here we can't complete it. So it will give us -1. So that's how we got a -1. Now guys, I hope you understood the problem. Now let's move to the logic part and see how we can solve this particular problem. What should be the logic? So guys, let me write here logic first. Alright. Now, what data structure we can use in this problem? Think about it. Which data structure is suitable for this particular problem? In this problem, we are going to use a data structure hash map. But we can solve this problem by using a sorting as well because we need to sort it and we can count it. But here in this video also, we are going to solve this problem by using a hash map. Hash map is nothing. It is also map and it is also dictionary in Python. Alright guys, so how we can solve this by using a hash map? See guys, we have some values, right? So we are going to make a key as a difficulty level, and after that how many tasks we have for this difficulty level. So here you can see that on difficulty level 2 we have 3 tasks, on difficulty level 3 we have 2 tasks, and on difficulty level 4 we have 5 tasks. So this is going to be a difficulty level, this is going to be number of tasks. Alright, once we store this in our hash map, now we can say that guys, we have 3 value, 2 value and 5 value, right? We are not going to take a keys, but we are going to take a values. The reason is guys, you can see the first line, you can complete either 2 or 3 tasks of same difficulty level. So we don't care about the different difficulty level. We can take only one difficulty at a time. So we are going to take only the values 3 to 5. Now the main logic come. Now we have to divide every value by 3. So why we are dividing by 3? See guys, let's say we have 15 tasks or 18 tasks of same difficulty level. So we are not going to take a pair of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We are going to take a pair of 3, 3, 3 until and unless our tasks become less than 3 because it will save our rounds. So here, first of all, we have 3 value. So in this 3 value, we are going to divide by 3. So we can say here question, here we can say reminder. If we divide 3 by 3, then we are going to get a question 1, but remainder will be 0. Fine. Now we have two conditions. Here our round will be 0 initially. So we have one condition. The question must be added to round, but remainder will be added on the basis of condition. So here you can see that we got a question 1. So we are going to say now round will become 1. And remainder is 0. That means round will remain same 1. In the second value we have 2. So here we will divide 2 by 3. So we will get a question 0, but remainder is 2, right? So now question must be added to the round. So 1 plus 0 remain 1. But remainder will be added on some constraint. The constraint is if remainder is 0, what you have to do? You don't have to add anything. And if remainder is 1, then guys you have to add 2 to round and subtract -1. Getting the point? And guys, if remainder is 2, then you have to just add 1 to round. So here we are getting a remainder 2, that means add 1 to round. Here we will have a 2. Fine. The next iteration we have 5. If we divide 5 by 3, we are getting a remainder 2 and question 1. So now guys, again question must be added, so round will become 3 and remainder is 2. As I have told you, if remainder is 2, then you have to add 1. So here we are getting a 4. So this is how we got answer 4. Now guys, let's say there is one more iteration which have a value 7. So for this, what we can do, we can say 7 divided by 3, that is going to give us a question 2, but remainder 1. Now guys, we have to add a 2, that is for sure, because question must be added to the round. So round will become 6, but we have remainder 1. Then what we will do? We will add 2 into this and subtract minus 1. 6 plus 2, 8 minus 1, that will become a 7. And why I did so? Let me take a different pen. Let's see, we have difficulty level 2 to 7 time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can take this by a 3 pair, 2, 2 and 2. You can see guys, right? We can take it, first we took a 3, then we took 2, then we took 2. We can't take it like this, 3, again a 3, then 1. Because 1 doesn't come in our constraint. We have to take at least 2 or 3. So here we took 3, then again second parameter is 2, then again second parameter is 2. I hope you understood it. So guys, this was the logic. Now let's quickly move to the code, see how we can implement this logic. So here guys, first of all, we are going to say round, that is going to be 0 initially. After that, we are going to create a dictionary, means hash map. So for that, we are going to traverse over this list for value and tags. And in, let me write tags. And in this tags, we are going to say if value is already in my dictionary, then we can say dictionary of value plus equal to 1. Means we got one more tags. But first of all, let me define a dictionary. So I'm going to say dictionary is going to be empty right now. And after that, if value is not in a dictionary, then what we can do? We can say write in a dictionary this particular key and make it 1. Means first time we got this tag, so the value initially will be 1. But if already it is in our dictionary, so we can say increment the count, so it will become 1 more. Now guys, if we have a count of tags of every difficulty level, so what we can do? We can traverse over that particular dictionary as we have seen in the logic. So we are going to say for key comma value in dictionary dot items. Now in this dictionary dot item we have key and value, right? But we don't need to take care of key. We have already seen that we just need to take care about values. Now guys, what we are going to do? We are going to say if values, let me write a value because value doesn't make any sense. If value is equal to 1, then we can say return minus 1. As I've already told you, 1 we can't take at a time. We have to take at least 2 or 3, right? So we can return minus 1 if it is a 1. But if it is not a 1, then we have to add in around. We are going to add first of all value divided by 3. We are using a float division. That means it's going to return us question. Now, once we add it to question, we are going to say find out the remainder. So we are going to say remainder is equal to value mod 3. So this will give us a remainder, and if remainder is 0, then we don't need to do anything, right? But if remainder is 2, then what we are going to do? We are going to add simply 1 in our round. But if remainder is 1, then what we can do? So we can simply say that round going to be plus equal to 1, right? So this is how we can solve this particular problem. So guys, you can see that we are doing the same operation on these two different conditions. So why don't we can write in just single condition? We can say that if round is equal to not equal to 0, that means it must be 1 or 2. So just increment round by 1. Otherwise, don't do this, right? Now guys, once we done this, we can return our round. Return round. Alright, so let's quickly run this code and see whether we are getting right output or not. You can see that it got accepted, and let's quickly submit this code and see whether it gets submitted or not. So here we go. You can see that it's successfully accepted, and I hope you understood the logic. So if you learned something new in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video.